Poirai Leimarol Amairapaibi Apunbalup has strongly opposed combing operations to arrest village volunteers in Manipur, stating that they play a crucial role in protecting the state. Speaking at a press conference held at Khuyathong Community Hall, Poirai Leimarol Amairapaibi Apunbalup President Soraisam Memcha asserted that if not for the village volunteers, Manipur could have faced extinction due to central government-backed efforts to instigate conflict. She condemned the security forces' alleged bias, accusing them of favoring a particular community while targeting others. She further alleged that the central government has no intention of resolving the ongoing unrest and that the deployment of security forces is not aimed at restoring peace, but rather at suppressing the people. Emphasizing the role of women in safeguarding Manipur, Memcha reaffirmed that Mairapaibis would continue to resist any attempts to disintegrate the state. She called for collective efforts to restore harmony and urged the people to remain vigilant against forces that threaten Manipur's unity.
Mama kudingmak lojing noyada akoy Imphal lojing noyada khangchet chelaga sarkar leitaju thengna dara labalani chahi kayagi mamangdagi thengna dala kokno dara labani khungakpa na khungai se kala ngali no india government na khungakpa thamjibani moi khungak chage habate khungakpadi Tamoy Chengna, Akoi Manipur, Nchijabani, Koigi Manipur, Mutapa Yaroi, Akoi Mite Jati, Mutpa Yaroi, and a Toropa Jadibo, Nasi Mama Koida, Kenagani, Kungapa, Pava Yaroi, Kungapa Sopa Yaroi, Kungapa Paragadi, Sargana, Juji Tauriba, Muegi Tauriba Branda, Muena, Kutaraiba, Akoi the Yana Lisa, Ukinate, the Gormena, Ukita Chalaga, Akoi Manipur, Mutadava Chilapase, where they Wai Kunjarani has strongly criticized failure of security forces in controlling the ongoing unrest in Manipur. She asserted that the conflict erupted due to the inability of security personnel to act in a timely manner, which forced village volunteers to come forward and protect the state. Kunjarani condemned central government's policy of suppressing the Meitei community. She urged the people of Manipur to remain vigilant and act accordingly, emphasizing that the time has come for women to demonstrate their strength.
India government policy that Mapung Pararoi, Hypercanbadagi, Toning Batonaba, Toraiba, Lances, Miamna, Iram Damasida, bombing operation Tobayaro, Kunaka Paya, Pabayaro, Supapalo Dabani, bombing operation Sutok to Haloi Dabani, Sarkana, bombing operation Togia, Kunaka Pagi had Natana, Libasa. Kutakta, Lepkatabani, Amaramda, Ikobu, Napis Hembigadori Niana, Lady Bataraiba, Indiagi forcing Sina, Kang Amada Tungsale, Hirakanda, Kang Amada Yinsala Haliba, Ado Akwebu, Napis Hembigana Tare Libasa, Akwebu Napis Hembigatonate, Akwebu, Nantanaba, Akwebu, Hatanaba, Taraibani,